How to change currency on hotels.com app. Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I will simply guide you through the steps on how you can actually change your currency on the hotels.com app, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to change your currency on the hotels.com app, all you have to do is first of all make sure to download the hotels.com application, open it up and make sure that you're signed into your account. Now the process to change our currency is really simple. All you have to do is just tap the account icon which is at the bottom right hand side of the screen. Once you come to the account icon, here you can see my currency is set to Australian dollars, and the reason it is set to AUD is because I have set my region as Australia. If I want to change my currency, what I have to do is I have to change my region, and when I change my region based on the currency that I want, my currency is also going to be changed automatically. So if I select Canada over here, my currency is going to be set to Canadian dollars. This will sign you out of your account first, and once you've signed out of your account, just come back to the application, sign in back again with your Google account or whatever else preferences that you have, and this time when you log into your account again, you'll be able to notice if you come to the account page that your currency has been successfully changed. So previously it was in AUD, now it is in CAD, and you can repeat the process for any of the other currencies that you might want to change. And that is it for today's video on how you can change the currency on the hotels.com app. We hope the video was helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.